So, my dear children, the bearded man made himself as the enemy of the king because the king has killed this man's brother and seized, that means captured all his property. But the king doesn't know who the bearded man was. And when he was seeing this king was going to the hermit's home, he was waiting for the king to come back to kill him. But he waited for the day and he could understand that the king will not come back that day. So he reached the hermit home and he was planning to kill the hermit. But on the way, the king's bodyguard attacked him, and as a result, he has got a big wound in his stomach. So he reached the hermit's home and the king saved his life. So he told the king that, forgive me. The king was very happy to have made peace with his enemy so easily and to have won him over as a friend. He not only forgave him but said he would send his servants and his own doctor to look after him, and he promised to give back the man his property. So the king told to the man that I will give you back all the money I have, and also I will send my people, my servants and a doctor to look after you. And the king was so pleased with made his man's mind so peaceful because he lost his brother and he lost his old property. So this man, the king could save his peace of mind, his life, as well as made him his peace of mind. Leaving the wounded man, the king went out of the hut and looked around for the hermit. Before going away, he wished once more to get answers to his questions. So the king, that one day full he was worked there and he didn't get answer from the hermit. So before going back home, the king thought to ask the hermit again answers for the 3 questions. The king went up to the hermit and said, for the last time, I beg you to answer my questions. Wise man, please answer to my questions. You have already been answered, said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. So the king was bending, the hermit was digging the ground and he was sowing seeds on the seed beds. So he was bending down and he did not stood up, he did not stand up. He looked at the bearded man, he looked at the king and said, you already got the answers. How have I been answered? What do you mean? Eh? You told I got my answers. How? Then the hermit replied, do you not see? If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away. So whenever you came yesterday and asked me your questions, I didn't answer the questions. By the time, if you might have gone away from here, this man might have attacked you and you thought, if I served the hermit, I don't have this type of attack. Then that man would have attacked you and you would have wished you had stayed with me. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds. So for you, the most important time was when you digging the beds. And I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business. The most important business you have to do is the business you helped me yesterday, and the important man was me. Afterwards, when the man ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him, because if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died. Afterwards, that means this was one incident for you to do the best time and to do the good things and to choose the best man. So the another was the Another incident is when the man ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him. You cared that man, saved his life was the best important time for him. Because if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. And so the best time for him was the time yesterday when he came here. So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. He was the most important man, and for him you did the things was the most important business for you. Remember then, there is only one time that is important, and that time is now. So what is the most important time for a man? The most important time for a man is now. That means at the present time. It is the most important time because it is the only time we have any power to act. The most necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment, for no one knows what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else. The most necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment. That means now you met me, and the person is important is you, the time is this. So like that, the important time is now, and the person that time is with you is the important person. And the most important business to do that person good, because we were sent into this world for that purpose alone. Okay, so we are sent by the God to the earth only to serve the people, and the most important time is now, and we have to do what the best to do for the others. So this is a real story. It is told by the Leo Tolstoy. I hope you understood the chapter, and children, you read the lesson several times and find answers to the comprehension questions, and we will meet you again in the next class. Thank you.